Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Corsair SABRE RGB Pro Wireless Champion Series. So I wanted to try this mouse because something really interesting about Corsair. The battery life on this is 90 hours on wireless. Then I tried to call them and they say that they don't know the Bluetooth and they are very, very secret when it comes to giving out information. So let's open up this bad boy. So this, I think this goes for $100, but I saw on sale for 80 bucks. So I jumped right on it to try it. So there goes the mouse itself and the wireless receiver. The cable itself, which is not braided, it's rubberized. Some people may hate it or love it. I wish it would kind of been braided, especially the price you're paying for it. You expect, but also what I like about it is 79 grams is the weight of this mouse. So let me remove this. Sorry about that. So then this is the mouse itself. Oh, it would be nice the PTFE would be white, but let's give it a go. Right here you got a storage spot to store your wireless receiver on the go. We'll be going to LAN parties. Also, this has Bluetooth and 2.4 wireless, which is great. Let's do a quick sound test. So there you go. So stand by, let me plug this mouse in and see how it looks. And we're gonna call it a day. So this is how the mouse looks like in lights. Only one RGB zone, which is a Corsair logo. Thank God not that tramp logo, because that thing was like that Transtamp logo. Oh my God, that was horrible. So this is how the mouse looks. Really light and it's balanced. It's not like front-ended or rear-ended, which is great. It's well balanced. I cannot wait to play. What should I play today? Escape from Tarkov. Oh, I'll figure out something. I gotta get ready for class. Till then, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.